Hello folks, my son Levinci Alfonso sleeping. Good afternoon. Yeah. This is latest little groceries from Shinsong Commonwealth MRT. Okay, just now we went to the polyclinic. There's Listen Boy resting. Very tired. Latest little groceries from Shinsong. And some rolls, burger buns, and some drinks there and koi. This is only $15 something. We have some yuchao, Oriental mini yuchao with the chicken. Okay. So, latest little groceries from Shingsong, July 7, 2026. Enjoy Singapore. Just now we went to Polyclinic. Accompany may have this and take his medicine. Enjoy folks sa itong Blackford over to Singapore. July 7, 2026. My son Levinci Alfonso sleeping. Enjoy Singapore.